Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are comparing ElevenLabs and Voice AI, two of the top AI voice apps right now. Which one is better in 2025? Let's break it down. ElevenLabs is known for ultra-realistic voice cloning and AI narrations. It's used for audiobooks, YouTube videos, characters, and even news reading. The voice quality is incredibly natural, with accurate tone, emotion, and pacing. You can create your own voice or choose from high quality pre made ones. But it's not free, you need a subscription for longer exports or cloning. It's more for production use than live voice changing. Voice AI, on the other hand, is focused on real time voice changing, like changing your voice during calls or games. It supports fun voices like celebrities, anime characters, and etc. And you can use it on Discord, Zoom, or while streaming. It's free to start, but the free version can be laggy and lower quality unless upgraded. And it is less realistic for narration or serious voiceover work. So, which one is better? Choose ElevenLabs if you need realistic voiceover, storytelling, or content creation. Go with Voice AI if you want fun voice effects and real time voice changing for gaming or chatting. Both are legit, it just depends on what you're using it for. Drop your favorite in the comments, like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest AI reviews. Thanks for watching.